Welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. Here we have a question. A man says twice my age 5 years ago is equal to my age 5 years from now. So we need to find how old is he now. So let's his present age is x. Let his present age, suppose we say, is x years, right? So 5 years ago, what was his age then? His age was x minus 5, and 5 years later, 5 years from now, or you can write 5 years later, his age will be x plus 5. Now they are giving us twice my age 5 years ago. So twice of age 5 years ago, right? This was the age 5 years ago, so twice of that is equal to x plus 5, right? Is equal to my age 5 years from now. So that means 5 years later age. So when we open this bracket, we will get this. And now, so 2x and x are family members. So x will come here, right, to the left side. And this 10 is 5's family member. Why? Because they come from variable family and they both come from constant family. So x is equal to 15. So his present age is actually 15 years.